So you guys have not been playing about this unit, and I'm just here to give you guys all the tea. Now, I realized I may have been telling you guys a little bit of a fib. I kept thinking that my closure was from Snob, but my closure is actually from the Crown Collection, and it's not actually a closure. It is a 13x6 frontal that I cut into a 2x6. So I don't know about you guys, but I find that frontal ventilation just gives more natural. It gives more scalp. I just feel like they go really heavy with closures, and naturally they do because, clients complain about shedding. Now, I did use Snob Mob bundles. I have 4 bundles of their Brazilian wavy. I think it's like their body wave. And I doubled the 26-inch bundles on the bottom. And as you guys can see, I am stitching those going towards the face. And this is going to just give me, especially someone who is edge challenged child, just a lot more coverage. And when it comes to wig making, coverage is the name of the game. If you are doing your tracks in the traditional placement, just back, side to side, side to side, your hair is just going to fall flat. And I kind of wanted this to fall, facing my face a little bit more. So, I'm not reinventing the wheel, guys. This is just my technique. And I think I doubled 2.5 bundles, and then I went in with the single weft because I wanted the top to not be bulky at all. So you guys can kind of just see my track placement. That's why I put this here. Next, I'm going to use the EAP heat protectant, and you guys can see the hair in its natural state here. I'm using my T3 micro blow dryer. I like this blow dryer, but I don't feel like it gets hot enough, if I'm being honest. But I'm just too lazy and cheap to buy another one. EAP heat hot comb, because we need to get this closure to be as flat as possible. So with this install, I wanted it to give like bust down sewing. So that's why you guys are going to see me focusing so much on flattening. Now, I'm going to link my Amazon storefront. You need this tension brush. It is linked in my store. This is just heat protected tension brush and my EAP EAP heat flat iron. I'm going to do a basic dusting at the ends, and I'm going to go in and lightly layer this too because I want the hair to fall like I just got a Dominican blowout. You know what I say? I'm going to cut some light layers in the front, and these are my thinning shears. And I don't know why I added this band because I honestly didn't need it. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. I took measurements for this wig after my hair was braided because, again, I didn't want the cap to be too big. That is also a major key when it comes to getting that natural laid look. You want the wig to fit your braids, not your head. I hope that makes sense. If you guys need me to explain it in another video, I will. But I basically measured exactly where this wig would sit with my cap on. This is a wig grip and my braids. I'm going to moisturize my hair. So you guys see like where my hair is. My wig literally is measured to fit right exactly where I'm laying that wig grip. So I have a lot of breakage because I had my hair colored ginger and I played myself and tried to record myself. Yeah, my hair burned out. So we're black until we get it back. Now you guys see how snug this wig is. It is not on my forehead. There's no lip in the back. There's no extra space. Now, when you're doing a closure behind the hairline, it is important to cut straight across. That jagged zigzag, not my dog barking. The zigzag cutting is not going to work, and it's not going to give you seamless blending. Also, I cut the front of the wig to match the cut pieces of my hair so that when the wind does blow, my hair is giving natural. It's giving the same breakage. It's giving, I'm sorry, this dog is barking, like my word. Now, I did over pluck a little bit, so I'm going in with a brown eyeshadow and just filling in some of those gaps. This is normal. Sometimes we get pluck happy, scissor happy, trigger happy. Just kidding. You guys know I'm in Atlanta, so I own my own. Anyway, it's giving scalp. It's giving what lays. It's giving perfectly blended. I also did not over bleach this. I used my Kaleido. Is it Kaleido something? I'm gonna post everything I use in the damn description. I realized that I still needed a little bit more layers, and I just went in. And again, I want this to give bust down sewing. So I'm going in and layering and making sure the hair is every way I turn. I want it to give. Now, you guys can skip this step. My God, you guys can skip this step if you're afraid. But I definitely think cutting is going to make the wig look super customized. Oh my God. Kilo! Damn dog. Okay. Oh, where are we? Okay. Still layering. We're still layering. Still swimming. And I mean, guys, just get into that lace. You cannot, like, there's no amount of plucking a closure that's going to give you this. And if that is not the hack of all hacks, cut up a frontal and just trust me. Just believe me. Just believe me. Okay, still cutting because again, guys, I'm that girl, okay? I wasn't sure if I wanted to do curtain bangs with this unit, but I still cut it for like a longer curtain bang style. And then I'm just going to straighten it again. Now, this is also a major key. I'm going to use my T3 Micro curling iron to really mash down my wefts. Now, if you guys want another option, you can use Nairobi, like a setting foam. But this is just way more effective. A little bit of spritz, a little bit of spray. And then you literally just mash it down, flatten it. And I only flatten my wig in that area because I don't know about y'all, but my head is just shaped weird. So wherever my head decides to rear up, I'm going to mash down. Does that make sense? I don't want the whole wig to be flat, just certain angles. Now we got to go on with that shine. This is going to give you the bust down, full finish look. And I'm going to brush through and just make sure the product is evenly distributed. And guys, get into it. Get into her. This is the wig that you guys have been loving. I just got tired of the kinky straight. I really needed something low maintenance. And I feel like it's giving. I feel like it's giving natural, even though it is not a believable texture. The luster on this really looks great. And I think the cut, me deciding to do a middle part was also wise. And I also love a deep, ooh, look at the booty. Make me sweat. I was feeling myself. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any more questions and I'll see you in the next video.